Parry, Jackor, talk to the people them.
Yeah, Parry. A hospital me just a come from. Mash down bad, but gotta put me back on 2 foot, you know?
Yeah, you're still wobbly, so take it, yeah.
Me a wobble little, but
Yeah, take it easy.
me have to give God thanks and praise. Me can't say yes, Parry. Me there and I could in the place.
Yeah.
You understand?
Me glad for see you last time we come here and we say, Corey. Nothing. But Missy say you still wobbly, so take it easy. So you stay in the house and with food and then something and all things.
No, you can't look at me. I don't no food. Maximum respect to you see me, you can't talk to me and so forth. I too long come from the hospital yesterday. But the memory not so up there. You understand? I just that.
That is very important.
Oh, I'm going to do a test?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Oh!
What can I bring?
Alright, Woland, Corey, Woland.
Yeah, Parry. I know respect for you see me in the country.
His speech kind of blurred. Just take it easy.
So hot,
yeah, me know, take it easy. Just you feel lay down.
Again.
You have to go lay down and chill out. Well, we're glad for you come. So we have to go find out what is what.
Yes.
And then jump on. Say, Parry, we're glad for see Corey again. I want to say him still not 100. Because I'm say, yesterday him just come out. Today what? Today I Tuesday, right? Then we'll pass something there on the paper. We see what is what. And then we can probably share it with the Parry. If anybody wants to send out a little help for you, then can send it out. But go sit down. Parry me up a country, I take a little unexpected run. Nobody don't know me I come. I want to see a prayer clip me just, because I never that hear nothing from Corey's son. So I never know what I go on. So I say, me run come in a place, come see what I go on. I say, oh, me not hear nothing from him. Him not call me nor nothing at all. And me call him, me not get him. So I come today, Tuesday, Corey say yesterday he come from hospital, so. I clean out over gully there. I go down under gully there with the camera. So over the holiday the workman did cease working, so I'm supposed to start back this week. I run come, I never see about shoe car. It look like him no know say me there about here. I mean, normally come them late hours a day, but sometimes you have to change up your movements, you know what I say? And the rain still a go on pan them up here, not too bad. But the rain still here. Still you know the kite. Can't see sky kind of get back clear, but like probably down in the afternoon, down in the afternoon now, further down in the evening, in the early morning them, you know. So me I go, last time I left up here, I did see apple. Hey, Parry, you know, look on the size of this cocoa here. But me want to know if a wild cocoa, you know I see it, yeah? I want to know if a wild cocoa this. If I find a wild cocoa when this done beer. Up one mampy. You know, say I'm a workman plant then Kenya Parry. I am plant then Kenya, you know. I am plant then Kenya and me never I am plant them little Kenya right here. So see them there? I am plant them. So on the back here. Right round here, so me the rain still see bird full up of water the rain still a fall here. Oh Lord. But things supposed to start up back. Probably tomorrow or Thursday this week because the holiday over. And so on. So the next clip, me I go down my gully there. Go see. Because I did leave them guys to do some cleaning up. Take out some of my bush them. Too much bush in my place. So I not have nothing much pan inside because we not stop for do nothing. We just come through for see because I not hear nothing from Corey's son. So I say me just pass through. For see what I go on. If me all pass through Sunday or yesterday, because I didn't want to come from Sunday, but I wouldn't see Corey neither. So right there I come. There. That cocoa here, a real cocoa or a wild cocoa? Look how big. A real cocoa? When that beer has some mampy. You say it big?
Yeah.
Parry me I come a country come plant cocoa. Next clip.
Yes, people, good morning. Cameron Dada here again. Yes, since the holiday period, we have just come back to St. Mary. You know, St. Mary again, we say. You know, so during that period, we have leave some guys to do some work up here for us. So, you know, just come and, you know, looking and I am showing it, you know, Yeah, man, we are show it. So they have do some cleaning up here. You know, as you can see, them do some cleaning up, and you know, the whole place is coming a little better now. All them trees and thing here, them cut them out. This was some chocolate area. So them cut down the whole chocolate tree them because them thing here stop beer. Them not bearing anymore. So you know, them cut them down so that we can put in some different, you know, thing inside here. Now we are gonna do some farming business, you know. So we can put in some different things. Yeah, man. Can look over here where put in some planting. Yeah, and see them come out of the ground, you know. Yeah, you can see the one here. Yeah, coming up very pretty, very nice. Some more over there. Yeah, man, coming out, you know. So we're going to put in some more like these and some other stuff. You know, we want to get the place, you know, under control. Too much bush, man, too much old trees and so forth. So we want to clean up the whole area. Yeah, so you know, we are really proud of what they have done. You know, them do a lot of work, you know. Yeah, man. Because the place is still bad, and you know, at least we have a lot of sunlight can come in now, you know. Yeah, man. Place need more sunlight. Too much bush did, you know, block it out. So you know, yeah, man. Yeah, we're going to put in a lot more planting and, you know, bananas. A lot of stuff that we can get to put in, you know. Probably more oranges we're going to plant too, and, you know, different stuff we're going to plant here. You know, because we have the land here idling, so, you know, it don't make sense. Put in some stuff. Even to vegetable too. We're going to put in some vegetables. And man, me just show you a whole heap of work them do, man. Whole heap of work. You know? Whole heap of cleaning up. Ooh. Whole heap of cleaning up them do here. See some more banana trees here, but I don't know. Maybe these we're going to have to, you know, take out some of them. Some of them look like them not going to come to anything. So we're going to cut them down and, you know, leave the younger ones them to come up. Yeah, man, since the rain, or the burial spot here, it grown up in bush again now. Whole heap of bush, we can hardly see anything, you know. So we're going to have to come back one another day and come clean it out again and do some more repainting. Yeah, man. Whole heap of bush. You know, there's a lot of working going on here, man. Whole heap of working. Murphy a pick orange. Uncle Murphy, walk on, you pick orange?
Yeah, so we can't get too worried there, no?
Eh.
Yes,
Why, when you come a country, man, you have to look something.
Yes, have to look something, you know?
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah. So it go, man. That's how it go.
Yeah.
Can't go back at town without, you know.
Without something.
Exactly, exactly. Have to have something to carry in, man. You know them how them things go to town already. Expensive. Money.
Money.
Money. Yeah, make it safe on the tree and you know,
Yeah.
ripe and drop off. You have to pick them, man. Pick off all of them.
You know what I does if you having?
Yeah. Yeah.
$500 a dozen.
A dozen. For real. Yeah, man. It look like it catch up there. Go should be there now, not just, you know, climb it and get a hook pick and draw the limb them to him.
Yeah. $500 a dozen.
Yeah, man.
You buy one dozen for one lady yesterday at Spanish. Over Spanish Town. 5 bills.
And sometimes when you check it out, them not sweet, you know?
I don't know see the kind of look like that, no?
Yeah.
$250.
And yeah, depends on the size of them.
It's on the size.
Yeah, man. The bigger it is, the more money.
More money. Internet, no?
Eh?
Internet?
Yeah, yeah. See one there, so?
Yeah.
And one over your head.
You pick someone and catch up, but I don't know then.
Yeah. One over your head there, son.
Okay.
See, look, right there.
Oh.
You know, talk to people. Parry.
Hey, Parry.
Yeah, in Parry, him the brain.
That's so up there.
Yeah, him not so a member.
Why take time to come back?
Even though they let him out. When you come out?
Yesterday.
Yesterday what day?
Yesterday what?
You know member?
Yesterday.
Monday. Yesterday and Sunday you come.
Yesterday.
Monday. I will carry out.
Oh my God, you're going to me, man.
Parry, him the memory, I don't know what happened. But he has a paper here to do our brain scan. But if I show me people, but I don't see if we even get the screenshot of it. Alright, hold on, when we're done. And me know him not have no money. Curry not no money. You can't see say Curry I never big body somebody for a long time. You can't see him thing. So yeah. And you out there so long, me I forgot come back now to bring some stuff here. Can get some porridge. You want some porridge, mostly porridge now. Yeah. This is yeah, banana calming to straighten up back the body. And then something. There was gas in the stove there in there though.
No.
No gas in there? No. Because that hard to come up and use the wood fire. How who go buy would I buy gas for you now?
No, do I go buy for me?
Alright. I'm gonna make you get the gas, yeah? So Parry, him not in him right mind, yeah. Him not really, him not remember the memory. I don't know what happened, but they has given him a paper to go and do a brain scan. I not see the paper yet. I go get a screenshot of it to see how much and everything, because right now as it is, it's like already upon him own. And him alone, well somebody is here with him and so on, and him come out, you can see say him real weak and all of them something there. So I don't know when I can reach back up here. Me always do what me can in a off camera. Because when you do things to your family and everything, me take camera push up in a people's face to make people know say me I do stuff. I'm not that sort of person. But I first me see him when me come up here, and from the Sundays, you're not gonna remember that. The brain, yeah. So yeah, ask the people if they can help. You want to ask them now?
You Korea big little help, you know. as usual because you know, nobody feels me. You're parry. Man has no respect. Out here, I'm not too long come from as you want to see, you know, I want to hear. You understand? And me look at much assistance from one as to where me can do. You understand? So, the whole nature of the case is, we give thanks to one who sent for me already, and all those things. You understand?
Okay,
So, any assistance who can assist, no will with. No will we appreciate it. But if it's small, no will take it same way. If it's big, no will take it same way. No matter how small, no matter how small. We accept from, we start accept from down the ground right to which part to reach. You understand? That's how me a man stay.